So guys, finally after lots of trial and error and hype, I decided to go with this just for an experiment. The legendary Logitech Z623. So I did lots of R&D, lots of research, and found that after reviews, reading tons and tons of reviews, I found that no system can beat the deep bass of this system. Okay, that kind of reviews I heard and read everywhere, and many people around us suggested me to buy this system at least once to just to have the demo. Even though this system is worth 13k today, but just to have the demo, just to have the curiosity, I brought it today finally. So right now I'm gonna compare this system with 1000 watt RMS Sony 5.1 system. And before we start, let me give you the honest feedback. I tested a few songs on this system, few Bollywood, few decaf songs, and trust me, guys, the bass notes which this system can give, the bass notes which this system can reproduce, only JBL 5.1 soundbar can reproduce those kind of low notes, and I think somewhat these low notes are softer than JBL. JBL is still on little boomier side, but this system is not at all boomy. Maybe because I am testing it in big room, but this system is wonderful. This is not as loud as 200 watt RMS system should be. This is not at all loud like that, but this does the job very very good. Okay, in terms of bass, the mids and highs are not at all impressive, guys. Let me be honest with you, but the bass is very deep and very premium quality bass. You will understand that kind of thing when I will give you the demo. Now I am gonna compare this Sony system 1000 watt RMS system, okay, with this Logitech 200 watt RMS system. Let's begin with the demo. I am playing the same NCS songs. I uploaded it on my channel itself. I connected it with the Bluetooth. So now I'll play the same song from this Sony system. And you can see the volume is on 75%. Same, I kept the volume. I switched off the Bluetooth adapter. Okay. Hope it will get connected automatically. Alexa, connect to Yogesh Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So this home theater system connected with the Alexa, and I have taken 3.5 mm output from this Alexa to this home theater system. So sometimes I directly command to my Alexa so that I don't have to switch on my television to enjoy the music. So Alexa plays the music for me. I hope it's connected now. No, it's not connected. Give me a minute. Playing same song from Sony home theater system. Volume on 75%. Full volume on Fire TV stick. So the overall volume is on 75%. Same volume as it was on Logitech. This system is off. I'm showing you the same spots again and again so that you will get the idea. This is sweet spot here. I feel the deep thunderous bass. So this was the comparison demo. Now let me give you the honest feedback. Okay guys, so the mids and highs of this system are brilliant. They are able to cover this whole area. Okay, no problem with that. But the bass is not even half of this one. Okay, the bass is brilliant in this system. Whereas if you compare the RMS system, the RMS wattage of this system, the total RMS wattage of this system is less than the only RMS wattage of this subwoofer claimed by Sony. So Sony is not doing justice somewhere, I feel. And so for the bass, Logitech wins. And especially not just the loudness I am speaking about. Forget about the loads. No, Sony, Philips, LG, Samsung, Boat, and all that systems are just reproduced or manufactured considering the loud, boomy bass. That is the fake bass. That is just to attract the customers. Okay, because when you get the demo, you don't listen to the system carefully. Okay, in the showroom, and after the soundproofing and all those effects, even the Sony system will sound brilliant over there, but the lows are altogether different if you compare Sony with this Logitech, or any kind of system with this Logitech. I have tried many systems in my life, and I'm getting similar bass like I get from SPL subwoofers in my car. If I compare this up, it will be identical with Pioneer Champion Pro 3003D4. Exactly same kind of tone, exactly same kind of deep, smooth, soft bass, and which you can hear even at low volume. That is the speciality of this system. Even at low volume, when I was downstairs, I felt soft, soothing, low, thunderous bass. That is brilliant, guys. I can't explain you that with my mouth. So this system is not loud. This system is not impressive if you give the demo to someone. But on long run, this system is brilliant. You will enjoy for yourself. So it's worth the investment. At this point of time, 13k is not worth for this system. Let me be honest with you guys. 13k for just plain 200 watt RMS system is not gonna justify it. But just to give a try, there are no other options. If you want the options, better options, then you can go with the JBL soundbar, and the JBL soundbar starts from 25k. So comparing that, this is acceptable. But the JBL soundbar has HDMI connectivity and all that. If you are gonna use this system with your laptop and you wanna sit close to it, or in some bedroom like this small bedroom, here I have edifier system. You can see. So in such small bedroom, this system is brilliant. But in such big living room, you can't keep this system. This system is not gonna do justice. This is not enough for the big rooms. But the tonal performance of this system is brilliant. I'm gonna keep this in my office room upstairs, where you have seen videos of the tower speakers. Now those tower speakers will get replaced with this one, and you know that is the office setup. So this system will be close to my workspace or where I'm sitting. Okay, so that was my video for the comparison of Logitech Z623 and the honest initial impression compared to Sony system. Now I'm gonna compare this with the tower speakers upstairs, Philips SPA 9080B tower speakers. I'm not gonna compare this with the edifier system because edifier system is not meant for that. It's just a 48 watt RMS system, so I can't compare that system with this one. But the system which I have upstairs right now is having two 8-inch subwoofers. So let's see if this system can compete the tower speakers or not. So please watch that video as well. Now thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Stay tuned, live loud.